This is Bo from Bo's Slow English. I am on vacation right now. We are at the lake. We're walking down this driveway, which is quite steep, and it looks like it needs to be repaved because it's really bumpy. Nari's first vacation! A lot of the houses in this area have a similar structure to it. They have like a A-frame, so it looks like a capital A. There's an A-frame over there, and an A-frame over there. There is a little bit of wind, and I severely underpacked. I did not realize that it was going to be a little bit chilly, and I also didn't plan on being outside in the evening, so I didn't bring sweatpants, and I'm currently wearing shorts. See? Shorts. Okay, I'm going to be the leader because Nari likes when I lead the pack. There's a lake! Look! These are really nice houses. My guess is a lot of these are probably Airbnbs. This is a very popular vacation destination or weekend getaway for people who live in Los Angeles. It is Memorial Day weekend, and I am assuming that the lake is going to be a bit busy because people are off of work and they have an extended weekend. It's so cool how steep the staircases are to go down to the houses. Gabriel has a good friend. His name is Paul, and he is a journeyman, which means he works on power lines. And he told us that he actually worked on a lot of the power lines in this area. It's very peaceful here. This is a gondola. Oh, cool. Look, it's not operating, unfortunately, but this gondola can take you all the way down to the lake. Let me just stand on this deck real quick so we can look at the lake if we can. Come on, Nari. See how this gondola can take you all the way down. That stairway is private property, right? Okay, so we can't go down that way. But we will make our way down there. Do you have directions to the lake? Maybe we're not going to the lake today, but also we don't have the key card. We need a key card to have access to this private lake here. Yay, sun! I'm a little cold. Aww. Hi, pup. Hi. Wow, look at the lake view from here. It's beautiful. Take a look at this driveway and how the cars are parked up here. That's interesting. I like how a lot of these homes have decks that they can park on. We found the public access to the lake. Gabriel is holding Nari because it's a little bit steep. Be careful. It's a cute dog, huh? Okay, I'm gonna be very careful going down here slowly. You know, the best trick is going sideways. When I was young, I used to play outside a lot, and I used to run down hills and up hills. And the trick is to go kind of on a diagonal with your feet and to go a little bit sideways. That way you have a little bit more traction with your shoes. I'm so glad we found this public access because we were trying to map it and it wasn't as easy as we thought. I'm coming, Nari, I'm coming! Just trying to be careful. More for my camera. I don't care if I fall. Isn't this nice? Look at this house. They have access to the lake. Oh, look at that path. There's a path. We could check that out later. Okay, let's go, Nari. You're sitting funny. Come on. I've never been to a lake before, I think. We're trying to figure out if this is a private deck. I'm guessing it is, and we probably have to follow that trail. Oh, look at that boat! It looks like so much fun. Should we go down that trail?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna go down the trail.
Follow you.
We did not bring the lanyard that holds the key card, but we'll have to come back later or tomorrow so that we have access to the lake. Wow, look at that tree.
Oh, wow.
Look at the branch on this tree. It's so smooth, and it has a beautiful mahogany tone. Mahogany is a type of brown with a little bit of red in it. Does anyone know what kind of tree this is? I'm very intrigued. Straight? So it looks like all of these homes have their own private dock, which means that they probably have a boat. These are ivy leaves. Yes, this is a private dock. Look at how the water is glistening. Glistening is like a sparkle. The sun is glistening in the water. On the water? The sun is glistening on the water. I think that's right. Not sure where we're going, but we're just kind of wrapping around the neighborhood. I wish we brought the drone. I think that would have been cool to get an aerial view. Wow, look at the cutouts of the dock. These look like speed boats, I think. I mean, I know nothing about boats, but it's definitely not a catamaran. It's not a yacht. So I'm gonna go for speedboat. Here are some fun facts about Lake Arrowhead. Lake Arrowhead isn't a natural lake. It's actually a man-made lake created in the early 1900s by building a dam. A lot of visitors assume it formed naturally in the mountains. The lake is private. Many people are surprised to learn that only homeowners with access rights can use boats on the lake. Visitors can enjoy views, shops, and nearby trails, but much of the lake itself is private. The area was once used by Native Americans. Indigenous groups traveled through the mountains long before the town became a vacation destination. The famous arrowhead shape on the mountain is natural. Near the area, there's a large arrowhead-shaped formation on the mountainside. Hollywood celebrities have visited and owned homes nearby. Lake Arrowhead is over 5,000 feet above sea level. That's one reason it feels cooler than Los Angeles, even in the summer. And that also explains why I kind of feel like a little bit out of breath while I'm talking and walking simultaneously. I'm gonna walk ahead so that Nari can follow the leader. It's a lot more steep going uphill on these steps. Man, I feel out of shape in this high altitude. Does she have a little trot? Nari has a little bit of a trot when she's walking. A trot is like how horses walk. They kind of have like a galloping rhythm. You want to go into town?
Sure.
Okay. So I just said, do you want to go into town? Notice how I did not say into the town. You could say that, but it's more common to say, do you want to go into town? Now I'm going to unplug the vehicle by pressing that button, unplug the charger, I should say. Ugh. I had to yank it out So yank is like a really forceful pull. We are now in Lake Arrowhead Village. This is a bank. It's a very big bank called Bank of America. Jersey Mike's Subs is a fast food sandwich spot. Here's a McDonald's. I haven't had McDonald's in probably 25 years.
Mexican.
You want tacos? You can go to a Mexican restaurant. I bet if we go up those stairs, we can access the lake, or at least a view of it. It's a very busy town. We're having a hard time finding parking. We might have to park a little further away. Hopefully it's not reserved. Nope. Perfect. There's some advertisements for homes for sale in the area. $275,000. That's a I would say an average price for this area. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and 680 square feet. Are we gonna look at model trains? I've never seen a model train in person. I've only seen them in movies and in TV shows. Aw, it's closed. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a big model train display. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow. Oh, wow. Look at the lake. Beautiful. I love it. Oh, look at the ducks. Oh my god, look at the little ducklings. They are so cute. Uh-huh. So we are staying all the way over there. So we have to wrap all the way around the lake. And we're over there, I think. Oh, remember earlier I said I wish we brought our drone? Well, looks like there's some restrictions here, which I understand because it's noisy. This is a very nice dock. Hi! They're holding an outdoor music concert. This isn't your typical concert. They have folding chairs and tables. Very rustic vibes. You like our dog?
Is it friendly?
Oh, she's...
Dog lover. My dog's bigger than you.
What kind of dog do you have?
She's German Dutch Shepherd.
Oh,
Yeah,
fancy.
she's 107 pounds. You're like a buck.
Oh,
Five.
I'm close to that.
and Ari's 10 pounds.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
Nari is 11
Oh, he's
pounds.
a nice guy though. He's not. A lot of small dogs have
Yeah.
that little
Yeah.
Napoleon syndrome.
Yeah.
You know, like no, bark, bark, bark.
Oh, she
You
doesn't
know.
make
She doesn't bark.
Yeah. My
Oh.
sister has little chihuahuas. She had one that was like 6 pounds.
Oh,
Tiniest little
tiny.
thing. Yeah.
That's half the size of her.
Yeah, and she's a sweetheart. I mean, she's lived in Palm Springs, where it's like an inferno to me.
Oh, yeah, for
I
sure.
can't live in Palm Springs.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine in the summer, in the winter,
Yeah,
but
but in summer it's
right now, like, yeah, you walk out the door and it's 110. It's like it's
It's too much.
that's
too
Yeah.
much. And she has 2 huskies.
Oh, they
What-
must be hot.
I go, what do you do with those things? They got so much fur.
Yeah.
Inside all the time.
inside all the time.
Yeah, yeah. Anyway, you guys
Got
gonna
to.
listen to the concert tonight? Did you know there's a concert
We
down
did
here?
not.
I
Bob Seger is playing.
Oh,
Really?
wow. That's kind of a big deal.
Yeah, and tomorrow night's Taylor Swift.
No.
I'm not lying. I just set it all up.
Really? Bob Seger?
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you, Tiki Bar's a good place?
Oh, it's packed.
What's your name?
Steve.
Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Nice to meet you. This is
Pleasure.
Bo.
I'm Bo. Nice to meet
Bo.
you. Yeah.
I like that. That's not your real name.
It is.
Really?
Yeah.
Bio.
I love you guys.
All right.
It's great.
Great to meet
Thank
you.
Bo.
you.
Is that your parents' named you Bo?
Yeah.
What does that stand for?
It's my Korean name, Pona.
Brother.
All right,
Thank
guys.
you. Have a
Take
good
care.
evening. Thank you. Well, that guy was very nice. Oh, look at this side of the lake. Should we go down this way? You want to go down this way towards the sun? Do you really think Taylor Swift is playing tomorrow? No? He's lying. Now we're going to this side of the lake. I don't know if it's north, east, south, or west. When I was in school, in elementary school, and I was trying to remember where north, east, south, west was, I would remember this acronym. Never eat shredded wheat. North, east, south, west. NESW. Now, I'm not sure if that acronym would help you, but it still helps me to this day. So nice. My camera is about to die. I hope you enjoyed exploring Lake Arrowhead with me. There will be more vlogs to come. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!